Before the first brick was laid, the ground was prepared to carry generations. Walls rise in 6-inch solid block masonry on the outside, 4-inch within, plastered smooth. A quiet skeleton that holds the family's future with ease. 162 square feet of parking, tiled in anti-skid finishes, ensures every arrival is steady. Step further and the living room, 13 feet 5 inches by 13 feet 10 inches. Beside it, the kitchen, 8 feet 8 inches by 10 feet, becomes the rhythm of the home. A granite countertop, cool to the touch, strong enough to endure decades of use. A 2-foot ceramic dado, protecting walls from daily work. Next to it, the pooja room, 5 feet by 5 feet, framed in Burma teak. Small in size, infinite in presence. A corner that steadies the home's energy. The staircase rises steadily, each step cool underfoot, unchanging with time. It leads to the first floor. 766 square feet of built-up space. The master bedroom, 12 feet 11 inches by 7 feet 8 inches, is measured for rest. The second bedroom, 11 feet 10 inches by 11 feet 8 inches, opens wider, ready to hold comfort and life in equal measure. Step out into the 135 square feet balcony, a space where the day slows, where mornings greet with breeze and evenings soften with sky. And above all, the terrace, the crown of the home. At the center, a 91 square feet skylight cutout pierces the slab, a shaft of light that pours downward, reaching even the heart of the house below. No corner left in shadow, light as a permanent resident. Every detail, every material was chosen with intention. They are the unseen promises that make daily life effortless. And that is why this house is more than a structure on a 1200 square feet site. It is a reflection of a family's care, their choices, their dreams, built not just to stand, but to live, to breathe, to belong.